You know that your video sound quality can help you boost your audience 10 times, and this tool will help you do that. And guess what? It's totally free. It will turn your video sound into a professional one. No microphone needed. And by the way, this is what my original audio sounds like. Not pretty good, huh? But if you don't believe me, let's do a quick test. Let's go. Let's try this first. This is a quiet neighborhood, and all we can hear is some birds singing and some kids are playing in the backyard. This is already a bit tougher one because, as you can hear, some cars are passing by, and let's see how this will work. I think this is gonna be the hardest one because, as you can hear, the music is playing on my computer, and I think it's gonna be a really hard one to process. If you ask me, it did pretty good job. I know it's not perfect, but we sure push it to the limit. What is this tool? Let me show you. First, you need to go to this site, convertio.co, because we have to separate our audio from video. So choose File and import your video. Choose MP3 from the menu and then click Convert. When it's done, download your audio file. Then go to this link and import your audio file. When it's done, your audio went from average to pro level. All you have to do now is sync your audio to your video file in any video editor.